Hey everyone! This short tutorial will show you how to start and manage a Zoom session with many participants. Enjoy!
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go to zoom.us and either sign in or sign up for a free account. When you're signed in, you can schedule a meeting, join a meeting, or host a meeting there's a few options here with video on, video off, or just share your screen. By the way, this is the web version of Zoom. When you start a meeting, Zoom will launch. And if you do have the application, you'll get this message where you can open zoom.us. That's on your computer, or you can start your meeting on your browser, or you could just download the application. I highly recommend that you download the application. So if you did download the application, the interface is very simple. You just select New Meeting. Then you're going to select Join with Computer Audio. You can even test your speaker and microphone. And if you look at the bottom here, I have my video off and I have my audio. It's going to be on very soon. Select Invite to invite participants to join the conference. You can go right here to copy the URL, or you can even copy the full invitation, which has information for participants who want to dial in. Okay, so we have started and I can see that my participants have joined. At the bottom, I noticed that I have 11 participants on the Zoom conference, and this is the speaker view. The participants show up on the bar at the top of the screen. If you click on the blue arrow, you can scroll and see who else has joined the meeting. The participant who is speaking automatically appears in the main window. If you want to see the gallery view, you'll need to click on this little square icon right here. So in the gallery view, you can view all of your participants in one window. If there's a very large group of participants, they will be displayed in several windows that you could toggle with. There's going to be like a blue arrow here, and you could toggle with and see the different screens of participants. If you select Manage Participants right here, a window will appear on the right side, and you could change the audio and video settings of your participants. This is practical, as sometimes participants forget that their mics are on, and this could cause some background noise during the conference. You could also mute all participants or unmute all, and if you click more, it gives you like really neat options like mute participants on entry, allow participants to unmute themselves, a chime for enter and exit, allow participants to rename themselves, or you could lock the meeting, or you could put attendees in a waiting room on entry. When you mouse over a participant, like over here, I moused over this group here, more options will appear if you select the blue ellipsis right here. And so you can unmute the audio of this specific group of participants. You can stop the video, you can chat directly with them. These are the three that I use the most. So this group is quite rambunctious, so I've decided to mute them. Also, if you select chat right here, a window with the ongoing chat will appear. You can set your chat options, like here you can select allow participants to chat with no one, host only, everyone publicly, or everyone publicly and privately. You can also record your session as a video, which you can then share with your participants that were absent during the conference, or just to review as a record to review what has been discussed. A great feature of Zoom is the share tool right here. When you select share, you have a few options. You could share your desktop. This is ideal if you want to show a video to your students or go through maybe a presentation you have on your desktop. Another neat option is also this whiteboard. When you select this option, your whiteboard will appear in Zoom and all of your participants can see what you're drawing. Here's what the whiteboard looks like. You could draw, add text, add stamps, spotlights. This is a great tool for drawing different concepts and when you're teaching your students about different things. Once your meeting is over, you can click on End Meeting right here, and you could either leave the meeting and assign another host or end the meeting for all participants. All right, that's it, folks. Thanks a lot for joining my class.
Zoom is simple and very easy to use. Subscribe to my channel to learn more about tools that you could use to connect with your students remotely. Take care and be well.